Hello everyone, I'm Sarwar Islam Johnny and my student ID is 2217046. Today I'm going to show you the t-test in SPSS. Okay, let's see the basics of SPSS. It's of t-test. Here is the t-test. That can be three kind of t-test. One is one sample t-test, independent sample t-test, that means the two sample t-test, and paired sample t-test. Okay, that means here will be the dependent sample. Okay, and there is assumption here the group are related and the difference between paired observation is normally distributed. That means it should be the curve shaped belt. Okay, and now I'm going to show you here is the all things that the aspect and the difference among them, and main things is here how can we do it on the species path. That is the analyze, compare mean, and then one sample t-test, independent pair sample t-test, and sample t-test. Okay, paired sample t-test. And now here is the questionnaire available here, that is from the body data, and here it shows the one sample t-test, then independent sample t-test, and pair sample t-test. Now I'm going to see the one sample t-test. Here it says is the average weight of the patient weight in the dataset significantly different from known values such as the average weight of cancer patient and in the general population assumed it 150 pound. Okay, that means my weight is given 150 pound. Okay, let's go to the SPSS. Here is my SPSS and here is the cancer data dot save. Okay, here this is the weight in. Okay, and that is given in pound, right? And let's see how can I go there. Here is the analyze, then compare mean, then one sample t-test. Okay, when I have write this one and I have to click in weight, then this is the weight is given, and here is the tested value. At first I will give let's see the 150 which is given in the question, and this is the option. There is no change, and if you think that the confidence interval percentage can be changed, you can change from here. I think that is good for me. 90% 95% is always default, and I will just click OK. Here is the output. Here there is n means sample is here, and the mean is available here. That means this mean is 178.28. okay, standard deviation, that is the how much difference from two values, and here is the standard error mean. Okay, and here it says the t value, t at the at degree of freedom mean n minus 1, total sample is 25, and that means 1 minus 1 is 25 minus 1 is equals to 24. Okay, and this is the significant two-tailed, and here's the mean difference lower and upper. Okay, from here from the t-test, t values, t bracket of 24, that means the difference, and we have to write these values. That means this is one, the 4.2, right? And 4.22 is that is a positive value. Okay, and that means and let's see, I'm going to see the value again. I'm going to see the value is for 180. Okay, for weight in 180, analyze, then compare mean, then one sample t-test, and I'm just going to change here, that is the 180. Okay, and here is the option. I don't need to check this, and it click OK, and paste. I don't need to change it here. Yes, no, and analyze, compare mean, one sample t-test, waiting. Okay, I'm just click OK, and here is the here is the same value here, and the just standard deviation may be changed or not. No, because this is the bell-shaped curve. Okay, here is the t-test is negative. Okay, t-test is negative, and here the degree of freedom is 24, and here is the significance level. If I show you, that is the 0.79. okay, and it was 0 for the values. Okay, as this value is more than 0.05, as I have given the 90% confidence interval, that means we have to reject this null hypothesis. Okay, that means it says there is a significant difference between statistical mean and the tested mean. Okay, and that was for one sample t-test. Now I'm going to for the second question. Here is the second question is the independent sample test. Okay, here is there a significant difference in average age of the patient between two treatment group, TRT0 and TRT1. Okay, that means if I see the value, okay, here TRT0 is one group and TRT1 is another group. Okay, and it says is there any difference for age? Okay, that means one will be dependent. And if I show question again, here is there any significant difference average age and treatment group? Okay, let's see. To do that, we'll just go for independent t-test, analyze, then compare mean, then independent sample t-test. Okay, here the t-test variance is for one is for age, and this one for treatment defined. Group 1 is 0 and group 2 is 1. Okay, then continue, and if I click OK, it shows to me the independent t-test. Okay, here is the value of t-test is 0.062. okay, that means here degree of freedom is 24. Okay, it is more than 0.05. that means we have to reject our null hypothesis. Okay, and this was for second problem. And third problem is paired sample t-test. Here is said, is there any significant difference of the patient score total CIN and total CW2? Okay, and this is the two condition, and I have to check it for paired sample t-test. Okay, let's see. Here I have to go analyze, then compare mean, then paired sample t-test. Okay, and here my two variables are that can be defined for 1 3 1 2 and 2 1 2 3, like that, and I have to check this one. Okay, and from there this one. Okay, and I can check for all. Let's see, I'm clicking this one, and for this one and this one, and let's see, I'm clicking for this one, and that one. Let's see, I have clicked all for these values, and from option I have to nothing to change, and I am just click to OK. Here all values are given here, and I click to discuss from this value. This is the t values, and this is the degree of freedom. Okay, and this is the significant for two-tailed. Okay, and from this value we can get the number of sample and correlation of it and significance. Okay, and in this way we can say the t of when t of 24, here is the, let's see, this is the t values available here, and this is the degree of freedom. T value of 24 is minus 3.490. okay, here the negative value says the sample mean is less than comparison mean, right? And here it says that the when t value will be increased, that means the difference will be more. Okay, and this is the significance level, and here is the 0.002, and from the first fourth line, this is the first third 0.05, less than 0.05, that means these are the accept the null hypothesis, and these are reject null hypothesis. And that was all for the t-test, the three type of t-test of the one sample t-test, and independent t-test, and another one is pair sample t-test. And this was all for today. Thanks for watching.